In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Stripe to Emergent AI. We'll walk through the setup from inside your Emergent AI project, then connect your Stripe account so you can start handling payments smoothly. This is useful if you want users to unlock premium features, make donations, or access paid functionality in your app. To begin, head to the Emergent AI homepage and open the project where you want Stripe to be connected. Once you're inside the project, use the AI agent and tell it that you want to connect Stripe. Be clear and specific with your request so the agent understands the payment flow you want to enable. For example, you can type something like connect Stripe so users can unlock premium features or make donations. A prompt like this gives the AI agent enough context to start preparing the integration for your project. If your use case is slightly different, that's fine, but keep your instruction focused on the payment outcome you want. After that, open a new browser tab and log into your Stripe dashboard. From there, navigate to the Developers section and then go to API Keys. This is where Stripe provides the credentials needed for external platforms and tools to communicate securely with your Stripe account. In the API Keys area, locate your secret key and your publishable key. You'll need both of these for the authentication step. When the Emergent AI agent asks for Stripe authentication, provide those keys in the appropriate place. As you do this, make sure you're using the correct keys from the Stripe dashboard and that you're handling them carefully, especially the secret key since it grants sensitive access. Once the keys are provided, Emergent AI can complete the connection and prepare the Stripe integration inside your project. At this point, the main setup is done, but it's important not to stop here. The final step is to test the integration. Go through the payment flow and confirm that everything is working the way you expect. Make sure the connection behaves properly, that the intended premium features or donation options are tied to the Stripe flow, and that the user experience feels smooth from start to finish. If something doesn't work right away, double check that the keys were copied correctly and that they were entered when prompted by the Emergent AI agent. Small mistakes during authentication are often the reason an integration doesn't connect on the first try, and that's how to connect Stripe to Emergent AI. Once tested successfully, you'll be ready to use Stripe-powered payments in your project.